In this video, I'll tell you how Nigerians living outside Nigeria can buy genuine land without any problem. Many people abroad want to invest, but they are afraid due to fake agents, unverified company, and unverified land. You have worked so hard abroad, but you don't know how to buy land back home in Nigeria without getting scammed or disappointed. I have a solution for you. In this video, I'll tell you how Nigerians living outside Nigeria can buy genuine land without any problem. Many people abroad want to invest, but they are afraid due to fake agents, unverified company, and unverified land. We have heard stories of people sending money to their relatives, to agents, and end up with nothing. The truth is, buying land from abroad is possible and safe if it's done the right way. Here are a step-by-step guide to help you buy land in Nigeria in a safe way. Step 1. Verify the company you are buying from. Make sure that it's CAC registered. They have online presence and have a physical office. Step 2. Don't pay to personal accounts. Always make payment to an official company's account, not individual accounts. Step 3. Use video inspection. Ask for drone footage of the site, or you send a representative, or you work with a trusted real estate consultant that you know. Step 4. Get professional support. Involve a trusted real estate consultant who can handle verification of all papers at land registry. For the past few years now, we have helped several Nigerians in UK, Canada, and other parts of the world to secure genuine land in Oka, Owerri, and other places, without them stepping a foot here. And today, they are proud landlords. If you are abroad and you have been planning to buy land in Nigeria, let's make it happen for you. Send me a message today. I'll help you secure genuine land property without stress. Distance shouldn't stop you from building your future in Nigeria.